Hello guys, Success here, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to set up a clean PvP UI in about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not the kind of guy that likes sitting behind my computer setting up an interface for hours and hours to get everything perfect, so I made a selection of a couple of add-ons that are really easy to set up and it looks really clean and they have everything that you need to succeed in PvP. So if you're struggling to set up your own user interface, I hope this video is gonna help you out a bit and give you some ideas. Maybe you can copy it or you can change it a bit and make your own. It's your decision, you're gonna play with it, so I hope it's gonna help you guys anyway. So let's get this going. Oh yeah, and before I forget, this is what happened a couple of days ago, so you can expect more videos in the near future.
So excited, dude. Seriously. Just
Yeah, so we can start farming PGs. Can't wait.
I fucking Reyna, fucking best comp, dude. MLS, best comp.
Yeah, there we
Yes!
go.
Rats.
Fine. So you can look forward to me playing MLS in really bad gear. So that was something I wanted to mention real quick, so let's get into the real video right now. So this is how it's gonna look like when you log in. It's gonna be quite a mess, so we're gonna start by opening Bartender by typing BT4. So you get this window. We go to the Blizzard art bar. I'm gonna disable this. Looks a lot cleaner already. Because there's a small space between the spells, I'm gonna go to bar 1 and go to padding. Move them a bit closer together. There we go. You can do the same thing for bar 6, I think this is. Yep. Put them all on 3. Then bar 5 is this one. Put it on 3 as well. So then we are gonna unlock the bars so you can move them around. The thing that I like to do is hide all the spells without a cooldown, like Polymorph, Frostbolt, Icelands, all the spells that don't have a cooldown. I'm gonna try to hide them so it looks a lot cleaner, so I can see the spells with a cooldown a lot easier and faster. So as you can see, I move my bars a bit more into the middle, it's a lot easier. So another thing I like to do is go to the micro menu, click on the visibility tab, click check fade out and move it to 0%. If you lock the bars, you're gonna see that your micro menu has disappeared, but if you mouse over it, it's gonna appear again. So you can basically just unlock it again, put it right there or something, so you can lock it, and whenever you need it, you can just mouse over it if you want to queue up for a BG or anything really. Then you can also go to the back bar and put the alpha on 0%, so the icon is completely hidden. I like to do this because I have my open all backs keybind on Shift B, so I don't really need to see the back button because I just open them with the keybind anyway. So now I'm just going to start keybinding all my spells, everything with a cooldown, like most of my spells, Gunner Spell, Ice Barrier, Ice Block, my trinkets, everything with a cooldown are going to be on these 3 bars. And all the spells without a cooldown that are less important, I'm going to put those on the right bars, like Frostbolt, Icelands, Slow Fall, Polymorph, everything without a cooldown. I'm going to hide those and put them on the right bars. That way it's going to be a lot easier for you to track your important cooldowns a lot faster. So there we go, I just found all my spells. As you can see, here are all the spells with a cooldown that I have to see, and here are all the spells without a cooldown. So now I'm just gonna unlock so we can see bar 8, you can just hide this completely. Just go to visibility and always hide, that works too. Bar 3 and 4, visibility, always hide, visibility, always hide. So we just do that for all the bars we don't need. Then you lock the frames, and there we go. Looks a lot cleaner already. Here in the bottom left you can see my chat frame add-on. It's called Clean Chat. I really like it because it takes no time to set up and it removes all the borders, so it looks really clean. The only thing you gotta do is unlock it and just put it in the bottom left or wherever you prefer it, and then you lock it again. I like the background too as well, so that's it for Clean Chat already. Here's a small minimap add-on that I use. The only thing you gotta do here is right click it, unlock it, then you drag the minimap just to wherever you like it. The durability, you can move it down a bit if you don't want it to be in the way. Like that. Over there. tickets over here. I don't really care, so I don't make tickets all day long. So that's about it. Just right click and lock it. Really easy to set up, that's how I like it. So as you can see, my UI looks a lot cleaner already. So the next add-on we're going to look into is one most people will know. It's called Gladius. You open it with /Gladius menu and then you type Gladius test. So the only things we gotta do here is I like to go to the DR tracker and make the DR tracker size a bit smaller and then just move it next to my character. Gladius takes 2 seconds to set up. So that's all we have to do with it. Gladius test to hide it again, and we're done with Gladius. And here's my favorite cosbar add-on. It's called AZ Cosbar. You open it by typing ACB. Then you get this small window. The thing you wanna check is edit mode. You're gonna get like all the cosbars that you can work with. The things I would like to disable myself is pet. So you just go to pet and disable it. Mirror disable. Target disable. I don't really like my target. I like the standard, the default target cost bar, so I'm going to use that one. And then you can just go to player, position, and then you can make it bigger. You can make it wider, however you like it. I think I like it here, like that. And then for my focus, I think I'm going to put my focus above my character. Should make it a bit bigger too. Right there. Looks alright. I think I'm gonna make the same size. See, 256. 29. There we go. The same size. Now that I got a focus crossbar, I can move my focus frame to the bottom left. And you uncheck edit mode and you close it. And that's about it for AZ Cosbar. And then interrupt bar to track your enemy cooldowns. Tap IB hidden. You get this small box that pops up with all the enemy cooldown abilities like kick and counterspell, spell lock, everything. I like to put this right above my casting frame so it's really easy to notice. And then you just IB hidden again and it disappears, and now it's only gonna pop up when a spell is used and it is on cooldown, so you don't have to look at the bar the entire time. Makes it a lot cleaner too. Then for my font I use a mod called Fontifier /Fontifier, and I prefer that Luxy Sans for everything. There's a couple of fonts you can pick from. You can check them out. It's personal preference really, whatever you like the most. I like Luxy Sans. It's just a small font add-on that you can use if you want to. Another add-on that everyone should use in my opinion is Loose Control. You just open it by typing LC. Then you get this menu. You press unlock and then you can see all the frames. They're all set up perfectly already for your target frame, your party members, your focus frame. And this right here in the middle is for your own debuffs. The only thing I like to move a bit is my my own debuff frame. So it doesn't cover my entire character, so I just moved it down a bit. And then you just can lock them again, LC, and then just lock them again. And that's it for this control. Really easy to set up. So a really powerful add-on that I want to talk about is the last one, is Power Auras. You can do so many things with it. You open it with /Power, you click New, and here you can select a glow. It doesn't really matter which one. Let's take this one for example. And here with position X, then you can just move it up and down. Just put it above my character, just like that. This one's 0. There we go. You can move the opacity as well, like this, so it's still visible. And here, where the question marks are, you just type the activation by buff, and here you type Fingers of Frost, and then you close it, and then it works. See, if I Pet Nova, there we go, Fingers of Frost. You could just use the standard icons, but I kind of like Power Auras more because you can do whatever you want with it. You can choose the icons, you can position them wherever you want really. It's just so much cleaner than the standard spell alerts. So that was it for my short tutorial on how to set up a PvP UI. I know it's nothing special, but maybe some people are having problems with setting up their own PvP UI, so I hope this kind of helped them a bit. So thanks for watching and see you guys next time.